Read aloud.
Hello, chocolate cinnamon readers. It's Miss Sasha. And today we're going to read Cocoa, Tea, and Honey by Kimberly Davis-Peters. Your brown is beautiful, and so is mine. Every brown is beautiful and one of a kind. Some shades are deep brown, like warm cocoa on a winter day. Our browns may be different, but we all like to play. Some shades are like honey, a light golden brown. Our browns may be different, but we can all spin fast on the merry-go-round. Some shades are soft brown, like the color of sweet tea. Our browns may be different, but you can jump rope with me. No matter the shade, brown is beautiful to me. It may be the color of cocoa, honey, or tea. From light brown to deep brown and everything in between, as long as you're kind, it doesn't matter to me. Our browns may be different, or they might be the same. Each brown is unique in its own special way. But one thing I know that is true to the end. I will always be proud to call you my friend. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story as much as I did, chocolate cinnamon readers. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss the next story. See you next time.